When your Oral-B Kids electric toothbrush stops working, power issues are usually the culprit. Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, ensure the charging base and toothbrush contacts are clean and properly aligned. Toothpaste residue can prevent proper charging. Next, check for the charging indicator light. It should show green or red when the toothbrush is charging properly. If the toothbrush is completely dead, charge it for at least 24 hours. Dead batteries need extended charging time to recover. For a soft reset, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds while the toothbrush is on the charger. This can resolve minor software glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Remove the toothbrush from the charger, hold the power button for 30 seconds, then recharge. Keep in mind that battery degradation is common. Lithium-ion batteries in electric toothbrushes typically last 2 to 3 years with regular use. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the problem, it's time to move on to advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic resets fail, the problem may be internal damage or water infiltration. Physical inspection is the next critical step. Cracks in the housing, like shown here, can allow water to penetrate internal components, causing permanent damage to the motor or circuit board. For tech-savvy users, advanced diagnostic techniques can identify specific component failures before seeking professional repair. Deep cleaning the charging contacts with isopropyl alcohol removes buildup that can prevent proper electrical connection and charging. Proper maintenance prevents most issues. Following these daily and weekly practices extends toothbrush life significantly. Avoid overcharging by removing the toothbrush when fully charged. Continuous charging can degrade the lithium-ion battery over time. If problems persist after these troubleshooting steps, or if you suspect water damage, professional repair or replacement is recommended. Remember that proper maintenance and early intervention can resolve most issues, but don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed to avoid further damage.